मैं कल वहाँ से यहाँ तक कब आया?
I did come here from there.
When did I come here from there yesterday? मैं कल स्कूल में अपना लंच किया।
I did eat my lunch in school yesterday.
वह तुम्हारे साथ उनके द्वारा कब आया?
When did he come with you by themselves?
तुम अपने पापा के साथ कहाँ गए?
Where did you go with your father?
हम वहाँ कब गए?
When did we go there?
हमजा ने कल मेरा टिफिन तोड़ दिया खुद से।
Hamza did break my tiffin yesterday by himself.
वे हमारे घर क्यों आए?
Why did they come to our home?
वे उनके साथ उनकी कार में खुद से गए।
They did go in their car with them by themselves. वे तुम्हारे साथ क्यों और कब नहीं आए?
When and why did they come to our home?
Why and when did they not come with you?
वे तुम्हारे साथ कहाँ नहीं गए? Where did they not go with you?
तुम वहाँ क्यों और कब नहीं गए?
When and why did you not go there?
हम उनके साथ वहाँ कार में नहीं गए।
We did not go there in car. वे कहाँ गए?
Where they go?
Where did they go? वे वहाँ से यहाँ तक कैसे आए?
How did they come to there and here?
How did they come here from there?
वे हमारी बाइक में उनके साथ कहाँ गए?
Where did they go their bike with your?
Where did they go our bike with their?
Where did they go in our bike with them? मैं यहाँ से वहाँ तक उनके साथ गया।
I did go with them here to there.
I did go there from here with them. क्या उन्होंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया? Why did we complete our? Did they complete do our work?
मैं उससे मिला।
I did meet there.
I did meet him or her.
वे कहाँ गए?
Did he?
Where did they go?
हम वहाँ गए। We did there. We did go there.